AG welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what this is a power strip from the Anker brand. So if you guys seen my previous video, you guys seen that I actually reviewed a lot of different type of power strip from this brand before. This time I do have another one which is called a 623. So first let me actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So everything is all nicely wrapped up. Let's take it out. So first thing in the package, if you can see right here, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And they also provide guys a feedback card. And then right here we do have the product. So let's take out the wrapper first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So right here on top we do have the plug outlet. And then right here we do have the cable. The length of the cord or the cable right here is 6 feet. So it should be long enough for you guys to extend it pretty far. And right here on top, if you can see, we do have the actual product. So if you guys notice right here, we do have 2 USB outlets. And right here we do have 1 USB-C outlet. So in terms of the USB outlet, it provides you guys a speed 8 charging speed. And for the USB-C option, it can give you guys 45 watts charging speed. And right here we do have a switch for you guys to turn it off and on. And right here we do have the indicator light to show you guys when it's on and show you guys whether or not it's protected. Such as the surge protection and the grounded option. Top right here we do have the brand logo. And it has this very nice kind of glossy finish. If you guys turn to the other side, on the other side we do have the outlet. If you guys notice the way how they position it is actually pretty cool. So that way whatever you guys plug on here won't be sticking together. And if you guys turn to the bottom, they do have like the non-slip material. So that way when you guys do put it on a flat surface, it won't move around. And right here they do probably got the specs and feature about the product in terms of the input, output, and etc. And obviously for all the power strip, they do have the protection built in, such as overcharge protection, overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, and the list goes on. So that way you guys know the product is always safe to use when you guys do use it for charging. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go test this out to show you guys how it works and when it should work first. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so we got the product all plugged in. If you see the indicator light, it shows you guys that it's on, grounded, and surge protection. So let's plug in some of the cables on here to test it out to show you guys when it actually works. So I got a bunch of cable on here. Let's test it out. So if you guys notice, most of the cables that I have right here is from the Anker brand. But the first one I'll do want to plug in is this cable right here, which is USB to USB-C cable. So we use a USB-C option first. And if you guys plug it in, that does work. So currently the percentage on here is around like 38%. So it will charge pretty fast compared to when it's like 80%. So the next one, let's plug in another USB option. And plug it into this earbud. If you can see, that works as well. Next up, let's use this USB to lightning cable. And we'll charge our other iPhone. Alright, so that works as well. So far so good. If you see, it does charge 3 devices at the same time. Now let's try the other side. So if you guys plug in this one, which is basically like a wall charger and power bank. That does work. Let's try the next one. And for this one, we're going to plug in a USB-C cable. Let's plug this into our power bank. Alright, so that works as well. And for the last one, we do use it to charge my laptop. Let me show you guys when it actually works. So if you guys do plug this in. Let me get my laptop. Alright, so I got my laptop. If you guys plug it in, that works as well. So you see for the device, it does give you guys the option to charge 6 devices at the same time if you guys do want to. And it does have the built-in protection on here, so that way you can get a safe charging speed when you guys do use it. But you can see the product definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test, the product definitely actually does work, actually worked quite well. So for this power strip, you do have the option to plug in all 6 devices at the same time if you guys want to. And the power that's on here is actually strong enough for you guys to use it for like a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or even for your phone or tablet or anything else. If you guys do end up using the USB-C option, the max is 45 watts. So that's enough for you guys to use it for like MacBook Air. Probably not enough for you guys to use it for the MacBook Pros. But if you guys do want to charge like a MacBook Pro device, you can definitely use the regular outlets. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, when you guys are traveling, or anywhere else, however you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these. Especially if you guys are market looking for a high quality power strip that give you guys the same power and the same kind of outlet that's on here, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously if those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.